The Oukitel WP200 Pro is also a rugged phone from Oukitel with its own unique features. But what makes it stand out is its detachable rear display. Now this is the first smartphone with a detachable rear display. That means a display that you could actually remove and insert back to the device. Okay, anyway, this display can be used as a smartwatch. You could detach it and attach the display to a band, and then of course use it as a smartwatch. And according to Oukitel, you could also use this device as an earpiece. So it's kind of insane, guys. It's very nice. Also, according to Oukitel, the rear display has its own separate UI. You could use it for different things like checking time, notifications, maybe playing music or making phone calls, and of course it supports many other functions as well. Anyway, how the detachable rear display can be charged is something that I do not know. There isn't much details about the detachable rear display of the Oukitel WP200 Pro, but I'm expecting more explanations, more instructions from Oukitel, especially when the device is about to be released. Anyway, this is what makes the Oukitel WP200 Pro unique. It is the first device with a detachable rear display. It's insane, guys. Of course, some other features of the Oukitel WP200 Pro includes a 108MP main camera, a 6.7-inch AMOLED 120Hz display, and the device is expected to be powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 8200 5G processor, which means that it's going to be much more powerful than the Oukitel WP100 Titan. There'll be more details about the Oukitel WP200 Pro when the device is released, so I guess we just have to wait till then. Anyway, what do you think about this new feature, this new innovation coming from Oukitel? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.